What's up, guys? Just got done with some dogs at the shelter. Pulled out about 4 or 5 of them. Wonderful dogs. Dogs that I would all snatch up. Dogs that can all be highly trained up. These are motivated dogs. If you guys are interested in adopting these dogs, I would support these dogs through a training program, at a significantly reduced rate. Come on, we're going outside now. I know, I got all kinds of shit. I know. Stop. Make you much more adoptable if we're not jumping on people.
Oh, yeah. And this is good getting this though. You can go from here to.
Well, that fix the jumping without correction.
Well,
All right. Well, with some correction. How did I say this dog was? 4 years old?
yeah. Wait a minute, was that her?
This one?
I don't think she's full.
Yeah, she got some gray. But you never know.
But she definitely has salt.
You gotta really pull. Oh, just happy to be here, huh? Good. Okay. Good. Hi. Good. Yeah, this will be fine. But you get to see the dog's willingness whenever I'm not giving you any cues or anything, and if you know how to get paid, you come over here and keep trying to get paid.
Yeah, she definitely doesn't care about that place board. Okay.
Nah.
Sure.
The other one, that's why if he came training, I'd have to like make him do things, and that's not. We're not ready to do that one the first time I met you.
Yeah.
Our relationship's got to be intact before I start doing things like that. Hey, come here. Hey. Does she know her name, you think?
Probably not.
Okay, because it's just like a random made-up name. Hey, Pineapples. Hey, Pineapples.
So my name's Olivia.
Let her run around. Basically, this is just willingness. We're just gonna take pictures. If she doesn't want to get on the place for it, I'm basically only gonna be. I'll pay for up here too, but I'm not gonna ask the dog to do a bunch of things. If I got peanut butter for you, come on. I wonder how you get paid over here when I'm standing like this. Good. Get you down. Down. Good. Good. Come on. Well, watch out. You can tell her no if you need to.
No.
Hey, no. Stop doing that. Yeah. Actually, did you see that right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Conflict management. Whenever she jumps in, I'm gonna start to get on to her and just see how she responds to my voice. Come on. Good. Come on. Good. That's pretty good, huh? Come on, come on. Nope. Good. Oh, yeah. Run through the things that I've got you paid before, please. Good, good. All right. You a crackhead. Good. See, she gets paid, man. She's like, I'm gonna run over there and have my treat. I just need you to sign it. I'll cash it myself. Instead of she getting the treat. Come on, hey, come here. Come here. Good. 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 Yeah. Good. Pretty smart dog right here. That's why you picked this one.
She has no fear.
Hey! Stop doing that. See how she play bows me? She's play bowing me right now. You know how to get in trouble, dude. You ain't stupid. Good. Set. Oh, I missed the hole. Good. No. Good. Good girl. Down. Set. Good. We're just trying to get some pretty pictures of you. She's so cute. Please don't bite my camera. She's so cute.
Sir, are we still playing?
Come on, all the way. None of this half stuff. Come on. She's like, only went to work half the hours and get the full paycheck, man. That's not how this works. Oh, shit. She still won. Set. Hey, set. Want one of these? Oh, good. Down? Good, that was better. Good. And they just keep coming if you just sit there. The dog showed in this video is named Olivia. She's a pit bull mix. She's 2 to 4 years old. She's currently at the Greenbrier Humane Society, available for adoption. This dog can be trained up to a super high level. Things like setting down, recall, leash pulling and leash manners, vehicle manners, eco conditioning, off-leash control, on-leash walking, dog and prey distractions. We'll also be testing the dog's temperament. I'll also provide the owner with training and teach the owner actionable skills to correct any undesirable behaviors and reinforce more desirable behaviors. Also included will be duration training and advanced skills like placeboard and a reliable downstay. For more information on this dog, please contact Greenbrier County Humane Society.